So now we want to make the starburst effect. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to filters. Make sure you're on the starburst layer. Go back up here to filters. And you're going to go to distorts again. And you're going to go down to polar coordinates. Now, you can see that this is round here, which may or may not suit your needs. But you can see it's not going to take up the whole image area, and you can crop it if you want to, or you can make it a circular image if you want to and save it as a ping file. In that way it'll come out circular and not square. But I'm just going to make mine rectangular, so I'm going to drag this circle depth in percent over, and you can see that squares it up. And I don't know what this does here. Let's see. I don't think this does much of anything, so we're just going to leave that alone. So just drag everything to the left and make sure that these two things are checked to polar and map to top, and click OK. And there we go. We have our sunburst effect. Now, a couple things that we have to deal with. One is that Ibn Battuta, in my case, is in the wrong place. So we're going to drag the starburst and pull it behind him. And you can actually use the arrow key right down here and just push it down. Okay, so now he's in the foreground and the starburst is in the background. And also we need another color in the background. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a new layer and call it, I don't know, solid. Click OK. And that layer needs to go behind the starburst, so we're going to drag that down. And you can then drop any color that you want in it. So I'm going to put yellow in it. Click OK. And I'll use my bucket tool again. And remember, be sure you're on the right layer before you drop the paint. So I'm going to click here, and there is my paint. Okay. So I can drag him to the middle if I want. Here, hold on. Where's my move tool? So I can move him to the middle, and that's kind of a cool looking thing. That looks good where it is. Another thing, there's several things that you can do. Now, you notice that some of our examples we had it, the starburst was coming from different angles, and the way that you can do that is, well, let's just stop with this. We're going to stop here, and then we'll give you the rest of it next time.